लेके आई हूँ आप सबके लिए बहुत ही बेहतरीन सा 8th फ्लोर पे रेंटल अपार्टमेंट 4046 स्क्वायर फीट इज द साइज 4 BHK island kitchen concept, lobby, servant quarter, service area in a group housing available in Chhatarpur. Rizland Sky Mansion is the right word for this description. You can have a look. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alisha Khanna from Khanna Associates South Ali Properties, presenting you today a brand new first entry floor on the 8th floor in rental, available for immediate possession. Rent unbelievable price, 2 lakh rupees only, negotiable with a lot of services attached. मेंटेनेंस आपको देनी है अलग. इसके अंदर है एक सर्विस लिफ्ट, 2 पैसेंजर लिफ्ट, एक सेपरेट स्टेयरकेस एरिया. खड़ी हूँ मैं लॉबी में, 8th फ्लोर में लेके आ गई हूँ ऊपर. लास्ट की वीडियो में आपको दिखाऊंगी एंट्री, द ग्रैंड एंट्री एंड द लिफ्ट एरिया. बिल्कुल लास्ट में आपको मिलेगा. सो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग माई वीडियो फॉर फर्दर मोर डिटेल्स. आई एम नाउ टेकिंग यू इनसाइड दिस ब्यूटीफुल फ्लैट which is the entry of this particular beautiful floor. हमारे पास है इसका client directly with us associated the owners. So this is the drawing dining area जहाँ enter करते ही आपको मिलेगा बहुत ही beautiful सी overlooking green passage वाली balcony. अगर आप देखेंगे ये पूरी green overlooking passenger feel आपको जो मिलती है इस पूरी balcony से. Of course the beautiful location of South Delhi, primarily facing a lot of sunlight, airlight inside coming through the kitchen, through the drawing dining space, so making it a vastu perfect property. Right opposite the drawing dining space area is the island kitchen attached right here, which is this one. So this is an island kitchen conceptualized all in PU paint, hood and hob, OTG microwave, Bosch already a part of this kitchen, made beautifully done up in an onyx का पत्थर on the top of also this island kitchen, which is already there. So if you see, all Bosch equipments are right here. PU paint exclusive, grey and sort of a beige finish. इसके बाहर लेके जाएंगे, आपको दिखाएंगे इस balcony में attached है एक servant quarter, एक servant toilet और एक service area जो पीछे से जाके right पे आता है. Probably in the next video you will see this, but for now we are showing you the whereabouts of how this property looks like. Taking you further ahead towards the back side of the bedrooms, which has 4 bedrooms in totality. But before we take you towards the back side, we will show you what the powder room looks like, which is right opposite the drawing dining room, and of course right next to the kitchen area, so that your guests can be comfortable with a small powder room that has been attached here. जो एक balcony आपको दिखाई है, एक और right side की L shape elongated attached balcony दी गई है. Also in this space, which is obviously attached to the drawing dining and the lobby, which goes towards the back side of this beautiful floors. Now I'm taking you towards the first bedroom of this beautiful floor, which is this one. So this is the first bedroom, attached cabinet, attached washroom, and a beautiful attached balcony along with a lot of sunlight coming in right behind me. So this is what the cabinet looks like. This complete flat is all VRV air conditioning, so all you can also have a focus of the heat and the cold. Both environments can be equally equipped. Now taking you towards the first washroom, which is this one. The first washroom in this group housing, made up of all tiles, a separate shower cabinet space area, and of course the wash basin, Kohler Italian fittings right here, been a part of this first washroom. Taking you towards the second and the third bedroom, which is adjacent to each other. I will first show you what the second bedroom looks like. So exact similar rooms, similar concept, similar balconies, lot of sunlight coming in, similar cabinets, walk-in closet attached right here, and the washroom just next to it will be the second washroom of this beautiful property, which is this one. So this is property is available for rent. 2 lakh rupees is the rental expectation. It's the first entry, कोई भी नहीं रहा है. It's a brand new flat. लेके जा रही हूँ आपको तीसरे बेडरूम की तरफ, जो है ये वाला. तीसरे बेडरूम में भी सिमिलर अटैच्ड balcony overlooking a beautiful green belt right here. So this is also a beautiful third bedroom with a similar concept of the attached walk-in closet, which is this one, all made up in white and beige, and of course the similar tiles and the. लेके आई हूँ आपको इस लिफ्ट से नीचे वही फ्लैट जो आपको दिखाया, 4046 स्क्वायर फीट, 4 बेडरूम, 4 वॉशरूम, ड्राइंग डाइनिंग, सर्वेंट क्वार्टर्स, वॉशरूम, and a lot more facilities available in this particular flat, available for rent. This is the 18 passenger lift जो इंस्टॉल की गई है, 26 floors, Sky Mansion in Chhatarpur, available for rent on the 8th floor, brand new first entry floor. It's called the Great Rizlan Sky Mansion in Chhatarpur. Anyone who wants to have a look or wants to hire this particular floor on rent can contact us on the number flashing below, and we'll be happy to help you. For further more queries or any other legal assistance, contact and take a personal appointment with Alicia Khanna. Thank you so much for watching. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep giving a thumbs up, and I'll keep coming back with more such beautiful investment options for all of you. Thank you.